The River Dee is very important. It's already a very well-known river across the world, but because of the work that we're doing and actually creating a bit of an exemplar for other rivers across not just Scotland but for the rest of the UK in terms of our work on habitat restoration and in terms of really improving the sort of biodiversity of the river. The year-to-year work of the Trust and with the support of the Guardians is really important because it is creating a set of actions that we hope can leave a legacy of a much healthier river for the future generations to come. The Guardians resulted in a very practical involvement with large-scale conservation, habitat restoration activities. Very rewarding work, very tuned in to being out there in nature in some fantastic environments and some opportunities to get really close to nature and to take part in activities including planting trees and helping us with some of the sort of habitat related activities that we have.
We were looking for a sort of local biodiversity project that we could get involved with and support for quite a long time, and we couldn't really find anything that kind of ticked the boxes that we wanted. So we had a meeting and heard more about what the Guardian scheme was. I think when we joined it was only just starting, and so yeah, we were really keen to get involved and find out more. Although a lot of people in our office live round here, not that many people know very much about what the Trust do and also what the problems are as well. You know, I think it's great the work the Guardians do in terms of going into schools, educating people about what's on their doorstep.
The River Dee faces a number of challenges, largely from climate change, which is impacting keystone species on our river. They're important because they are sort of the heart of the ecosystem of the river. So our job at the River Dee Trust is to make sure that our river is as healthy for the wildlife it supports as possible. So in recent years, there have been heightened water temperatures, so making sure that our rivers are cool, crisp and clear for its inhabitants is really important. To do that, we do a lot of things, from trying to provide cooling shade for the river, so that through our 1 million trees programme, we've been planting 1 million trees on the upper catchment. And the hope is in years to come that those trees will provide that cooling shade to allow the water temperatures to remain at a temperature that is suitable for salmon.
The River Dee Trust are just doing amazing work to give the river a little bit of resilience, so planting trees to provide shade to keep the temperatures of the rivers low enough that the young salmon can survive. The reason that the Scotland team were behind supporting the River Dee Trust is that they don't just do environmental work for the river, they also engage with local communities and local schools, doing educational visits, that kind of thing. So it was a holistic organisation and really looking to benefit the people and the environment.
There's the opportunity to go and do these kind of team building exercises where you're contributing, you're doing something as a team, you're talking to people within your asset team that you wouldn't necessarily interact with on a day-to-day basis, but you're coming together and you're doing something useful. It's a fantastic way to feel like you're really giving something back to the environment that we're existing in. It's just sort of having something very physical where you can see the job you've done and you can sort of appreciate the contribution you're making. And just understanding how the landscapes work, what we can do to help the river basin.
To me, it just seemed the right thing for us to do, to get involved in something positive, hands-on, where you can actually see the benefits of your contributions. Until you actually get involved and try it, then you get caught up with it, Everyone's loved the experience of it. The satisfaction of putting that young sapling in the ground. The River Dee Trust has planted 500,000 trees, just over that now, and we've been part of that progress as well, so it's quite satisfying to see that happening up and down the rivers and some natural rewilding going on as a result of that. In some cases now, we're 3, 4, 5 years, we could go back and see the results of that, so it's extremely satisfying.
This is really important work, not just for the communities today, but it's important for the future generations that will come and hopefully enjoy this river and everything that it has to offer. So there's an open invitation for anyone who is interested to come and support the work of the Trust, to be part of that journey and to become a guardian or a supporter. We are doing conservation and restoration at scale here, so we're very hopeful that this work will make a huge difference for the future.